or is it harder? Okay. We're going to talk today about gerunds, and we're going to focus specifically on the verb identify, which we've made into a gerund by adding ing to the end of it. We're going to talk about 3 positions in a sentence that gerunds can be used. The first example is the subject position. It comes first in the sentence. And here's the sentence. Identifying errors in your own work is part of being a good writer. So this verb has now become a noun, effectively, being the subject of the sentence, what the whole sentence is about, this idea of identifying. Next example, we're using the same gerund, identifying, but now it's the object of the preposition of. And here's the sentence. What are the benefits of identifying your goals before you start a class? So let me just explain a little bit about why we say this is the object of the preposition. Well, we can identify a preposition. It's one of those little words, of, in, for, on, by. You should memorize, you should know what a preposition is. What's going to come after it? It could be a noun, but if you're going to use a verb like identify, you have to change it into the gerund form, and the way you do it is by adding ing. So if you just had of identify, what are the benefits of identify? Just the verb form, it doesn't work grammatically. Adding that ing makes it grammatically correct. Now it's become a gerund, it's become a noun form. What are the benefits of identifying your goals before you start a class? Third example I'm going to give you is the object of a verb, and let me circle it for you here. Your verb here is try, in the past tense, tried. Here's the example. The student tried identifying the causes of his confusion before going to the tutoring center. So again, we can't just have a verb form, identify, after this verb here. We have to make it into the gerund form by adding ing. The student tried identifying the causes of his confusion. One quick thing to point out is try is a verb that can be followed by a gerund or by an infinitive. So in this case, it would be fine to say the student tried to identify. You have a choice here, gerund or infinitive. That's it. Gerunds are really useful in your writing because, as you can see, they can take many different positions in the sentence. The beginning of the sentence in subject position, as the object of a preposition right here in the middle of the sentence, or as the object of the verb coming after the verb. So think about using gerunds as a way to add some variety to your writing. Thanks.